What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to change your PUBG mobile server location. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Open up PUBG Mobile. From here, navigate to your in-game settings. In the Basic tab, you can preview the Select Server setting. When tapping on Change, you can preview the current server location, and below, expand the drop-down menu to preview your network connection to all of the other available servers. You should be aware that you can only change your server location after 60 days of changing it. Changing your server location can reduce network lag and your latency to the game's server. But make sure to disable any VPN or other servers you might be using on your device to see your true connection to these servers before switching to any of these. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.